Hi everyone, this is bodily injuries and their effects on the voice. It's important to understand that injuries to any part of the body can result in the impairment of vocal mechanism. And the less obvious injuries that I will touch upon are associated with vocal dysfunction, result in excess tension, altered abdominal support, and pain. Essentially, the entire body is relevant to the anatomy of the voice, including the shoulders and the pelvis. Head trauma results in the following and is associated with hearing loss, which sometimes can go unrecognized, and if it does, over-singing or straining the voice are common compensation techniques for the impairment. Straining the voice can then lead to vocal fatigue and vocal nodules. The supraglottic vocal tract include the following. Nose injury, for example, results in one, breathing in unhumidified cold air only through the mouth, resulting in voice irritation. These injuries may seem minor, however, they alter the voice, causing one to compensate for it in unhealthy means by increasing the volume of their voice or singing loudly, leading to more vocal damage. Upper extremity injuries include broken arm or dislocated shoulder, resulting in pain, muscle tension, and alterations in posture. Arms are directly associated with shoulders, neck, and are adjacent to the chest, so injury to the arm may cause constriction of respiration. Appropriate respiration is needed for appropriate breathing and voice production. Vocal dysfunction may also follow a sprained ankle or broken leg. So looking at lower extremities in the pelvis are needed for a more stable and balanced skeleton for muscle contraction. It is common for individuals to complain about vocal fatigue and hoarseness when they are on crutches or when they are limping post-injury. Injuries to this part of the body prevents maintenance of appropriate abdominal, thoracic, and back muscle support and balance. The chest and abdominal injuries result in temporary muscle dysfunction, so it is recommended that singing and overuse of voice are temporarily stopped until support mechanism functions again. Muscles of the back and the abdomen aid the diaphragm and the lungs in establishing the movements necessary for breathing. Injuries to the back may result in nerve dysfunction and weakened muscle for respiration and support. Lumbosacral back pain, for example, prevents contraction of abdominal and back muscles, which is needed for voice support. It also affects the balance of the muscle performance. In conclusion, takeaway points include the voice mechanism is sensitive to any changes in the body. A physician must not only focus on the injuries to the larynx when it comes to voice production, but also injuries in other parts of the body. And it's important for the singer or the professional voice user to receive counseling and to become more aware of how these injuries can affect their vocal productions and how techniques can be modified. Injuries that present with severe pain are likely associated with chronic vocal effects.